Hello, just want to briefly go through the distributive property before you take your quiz. So let's take out a piece of paper and write the following expressions. You also might want to have your calculator ready. Then use the distributive property to simplify the expression. Show your work. So you will be asked today on the quiz to show what this means. And this means 4 times y. When we use a distributive property, the number out front multiplies everything inside the parentheses. So if it's helpful to you, you can write a 1 in front of that y, and then we go back to that 4 and multiply this number inside. You're going to notice it's a positive or plus 8, so we're going to write that as 4 times positive 8. So now come the calculations. This is 4y, 4 times 1, or 4 times y is 4y, and 4 times 8 is 32. It's positive, so we're going to write it as plus 32. And we are done. Now, let's go on to the next one. You're going to notice there's negatives and there's a positive. And this is where sometimes we struggle a bit. Negative 2 times negative 6x. Then negative 2 times positive 7. So let's recall when we have a negative times a negative, it's a positive. So I'm going to get a positive 12x, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So we're going to choose to write that. The best way is to make that negative 14, or you could write it as positive 12x plus negative 14. Either will work. So I hope this brief review helps you for the quiz. So now please take the quiz on distributive property.